Welcome. Today I'm with Realme GT Master Edition and I will show you how you can apply glass on display in this smartphone. So the first quick disclaimer that we can find here already installed screen protection. As you can see, there's the foil on the screen. So you can leave this foil and apply the glass on it, or just remove it. You can decide. I'm going to leave this foil and apply, basically stick tempered glass to this foil to improve protection of my display. So you have to also remember about the good lighting condition to see the mess that you have on the display. In my case, almost everything is fine, but I can spot here a few fingerprints. We are going to remove them. But right now, open the box with the tempered glass. Here we can find the glass, no surprise, and also additional accessories. In this case, you can find only two wipes, wet and the dry. At first, open the wet one. And just clean your screen. Okay, as you can see, after a few moves, we get rid of all of this mess. Next, we have to remove these wet marks after the wet cleaning, so open the dry wipe. Just like that. Okay, and right now we have to remove the dust from the screen. So I can spot a few pieces right here, and right here. Remember to slide to the one direction. Okay, right now everything is fine. So let's grab tempered glass. Remove the sticker, so grab it like that. And keep removing. Unfortunately, in my case, this sticker doesn't follow with the foil right here. So what I have to do in this case, just put the fingernail underneath the glass to remove this foil manually. Just be patient, don't worry, we are going to remove it, and there it is. I almost got it, so let's make it one more time, and that's it. So you have the same problem, don't worry, you will get it after a few tries. So remove the foil gently, grab your glass like that, in your four fingers for four edges, corners, and then put the glass for the top section and keep holding the bottom part. Okay, I think that right now everything is correct for the top section. You have to remember to pour it correctly for the both edges, so basically put it evenly. And when you are sure that here is fine, just put correctly the bottom part. And when you are sure, then just leave it. Just put it on the screen. And there it is. As you can see, it goes automatically. You can also speed it up by using your finger and slide like that around the screen to get it stick. Right now we have to go back with this dry wipe to remove these glue marks. So just press on them, they will disappear. Okay, right now let's take a look on the screen. As you can see, everything is fine. Let's turn on the screen, and there it is. As you can see, we easily apply glass on the screen. No problem with the touch interaction, no problem with the sensitivity. So just go forward and install the glass on your phone, like in my case. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment, and of course subscribe to our HardReset.Info YouTube channel.